Hi students, today I wanted to show you how to put your week 9 reflection into your ePortfolio. So you're going to go to the classwork page and then on the left hand side click on ePortfolios and find your ePortfolio. So I'm just going to find the students here, okay, and click on it. And you will see your week 9 reflection. So always take a look at it, click on it to open it, and you can just scroll through it to look at it to see if there are any comments just by scrolling up and down. So usually I make comments on what you say. Then you can click this back arrow to go back. Now you want to use your left finger and click down on the bottom left-hand corner of your touchpad and slide it up into the About Me folder and let go. You use your right finger to do the moving. Then you click Move. Now you want to click on About Me, double click, just to see if it got there. Okay, and it looks like I can see it right down here, bottom right-hand corner. Excellent. So now I'm going to go back and click on your name. And now I need to go to Inventory Sheets. So I click on Inventory Sheets, double click. Now I click on the picture. So I double clicked. And down at the very bottom of the page, I'm going to see All About Me. So I'm going to click on that. And this student is filling out all of their learner reflections, which is excellent. So click on the bottom box where it says your last one, and this one is week 6. Click on it, and then look for the arrow key on your keyboard and arrow down. So now you're going to write the date, and you can just write today's date. So today is June 12th. 2021, and then you're going to write week 9 learner reflection. Oops, and I've just backspace. So now I reread it, June 12th, week 9 learner reflection. And so now I want to go back to the main page. So I'm going to close this inventory tab by clicking on the X and click leave. And now I am back to the beginning. So that is how you put your week 9 reflection into your About Me folder. And then to go back into the classroom, you can just close this tab and you can click on your classroom.